Hello Telegram users, want to update your payment method? No worries, I'll show you how to switch things up in just few taps. Let's get started. First, open Telegram and tap on the three lines at the top left corner. Go to settings and scroll down to payment. Tap on it and you will see the current payment method linked to your account. To change your payment method, simply tap on manage payment methods. Here you can either add a new payment method or edit your existing one. Tap on add payment method to link a new card or link your PayPal account for example. Make sure your payment information is correct and up to date. Once you have updated it, tap save to confirm the changes. Have you changed your payment method recently? Drop a comment below and let me know how it went. And that's it. You are all set to make purchases with your updated payment method. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.